Good morning. Before we start our discussion, will you please stand to start our prayer? Okay, so may I call my co-teacher here in front. So, but before that, let us do it first, the teacher first, and after that, you will be joining us. Okay? You understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
Are you ready, class?
Yes, teacher.
1, 2, 3. Here's the energizer. 1, 2, 3, go.
Heat light, heat light, heat light, heat light. Energy, energy. We live in our lives, we live in our lives. Heat, light, light, light.
Can you join us, everyone?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Heat light, heat light, heat light, heat light. Energy, energy. We can live in our lives, we can live in our lives. Heat, light, light, light.
Faster!
Heat light, heat light, heat light, heat light. Energy, energy. We can live in our lives, we can live in our lives. Heat, light, light, light.
Okay, thank you. You may next take your seat. And please pick a piece of paper or chart under your chair. Okay? So, again, did you enjoy our energizer?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so good morning, everyone. Let us introduce ourselves. I am teacher Flor, together with my co-teacher.
I am teacher Jello. I am teacher John Ray. And I am teacher Ted.
And I am your teacher, Angela. And we are your teacher for today's lesson. Now, when I have all your attention, let's check your attendance. Is there any absent from the boys?
No, teacher.
How about the girls?
No, teacher.
Very good. I'm so glad that everyone is eager to listen in this morning. Have you noticed from the left side of our board?
Yes, teacher.
We call this a classroom chart. Classroom rules. Can you please read everyone?
Eyes on the speaker. No interrupting. Everyone follows directions. Respect others and their property. Give your best work. You are responsible for cleaning up your area.
Can I expect this throughout of our whole discussion class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now, let's see here in the scoreboard. If you are following if you are answer and participate to our activities and discussion, you will be given a prize. Do you understand that?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, and check this out, the behavioral chart. So if you are following the classroom rules, I will give you a smile emoji, a smile face of Mr. Bean. And if you are not following the classroom rules, I will give you an angry face of Mrs. Wicked. Who is this?
Yes, teacher.
Who is this?
Mrs. Wicked.
Okay. So if you receive this Mrs. Wicked angry face, that will be deducted from your scoreboard. Do you understand that?
Yes, teacher.
And if you are receive this one, the point of your scoreboard will be given to other teams. Okay?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. And now, I have here two types of emoji. If you receive this kind of emoji, that will mean you receive a warning. That will means you are not following the classroom rules or you are not participating with your classmate throughout that discussion. Understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So if you receive this kind of emoji, the angry one, that will mean you will be the one to receive the behavioral chart of Mrs. Wicked angry face. Okay?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so please observe this one to avoid your penalties and deductions. Okay. Now, last time we discussed about the magnet, right?
Yes,
Okay. So in the magnet, we can pull and push object without touching, right?
Yes.
Okay. To check if you learned something in our previous lesson, I have here a 3 question for you. Okay? First one is, what is magnet? Please raise your hand if you want to answer. If you want to answer. Okay, George. Can you please stand up?
The answer, teacher, is C. A magnet is an object that uses force to pull or push certain materials without touching them.
Okay, correct. So here's your red card. This red card has indicate equivalent of upright. If you receive this, you will be receiving after the discussion upright. Did you get it?
Yes,
Okay.
teacher.
So now let's proceed to a next question. So what materials are attracted to a magnet? Okay, Sherilyn. Okay, so the materials are attracted to a magnet is nickel, iron, and wow. Here's your and now the last is, why does a magnet not attract plastic or goods? Anyone? Manili. Okay, very good, because plastic and goods are not made by magnet. Thank you so much, children. So now, before we proceed to our another lessons, I have here a few questions for you. Okay? So what happened when you stay under the sun for too long? Gonzaga? Joy.
Masanggol, teacher.
Okay, right. That's right. The sun gives us a heat energy. Even it's too far for us, right? It can cause a sunburn. Here's your red card. Thank you. The next one is, how do your eyes react when someone shines a flashlight directly at you? Diana? Okay, right. The light travels to our eyes and it can hurt if the light is too bright or kind of too close for us, right? Okay, thank you, Diana. This is your red card. The third one is, have you ever felt your ears hurt from a very loud sound?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, exactly, because the sounds carry a lot. The sounds carry a sound energy, and it's too strong for us if the sound is too close for us, and reason?
So now, teacher.
Okay, that's right, because of a heat energy that produced from a fire, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, thank you, Rachel. Here's your red card. So I observed that everyone are listening to our discussion. So I will put all groups with smiley face of Mr. Bean. Are you happy that you received your reward?
Yes, teacher.
Thank you. And just like that, just like magnet, these are examples of how something can affect from the distance without touching or kind of near of that object. These are the sign of different form of energy like heat, light, and sound. And that's exactly what we explore today's lesson. Can I call teacher Tawi? Junri?
Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
We're on, teacher.
Very good. And now, before we proceed into our next activity, I will divide our class into 3 teams. This side is team Wicked, and this side is team Scrapper, and this side is team Teddy. And in this activity, I will show you a picture along with each questions, and your task is to predict what will happen to the object in the picture. And if your answer is yes, please raise green flag. And if your answer is no, please raise red flag. Do you understand, class?
Yes, teacher.
Please listen, class. Please wait for my Okay, here's the first question. Does the sugar melt without contact of heat? Please raise your flag. Go. Yes, your answer, class, is right. Because of that, I will give you a 1 chocolate of each team.
Go.
Next question. Will the wet clothes dry quickly without a contact of sand? Please raise your flag. Yes, very good. Because of that, I will give you another chocolate. Okay, thank you, teacher Jello. And the next is if the light is off and create a shadow, raise your flag. Very good. Please give a candy teacher gel, please. And the next, if the light is on and create a shadow, please raise your flag. Okay, very good. And give another chocolate. Next, if the speaker is off, will the grain of rice move? Raise your flag. Raise your flag. Very good. Your answer is right. Give another chocolate. And the last question. If the speaker is on, will the grain of rice move? Okay, very good. Give another chocolate. Happy face of Mr. Bean.
Bye-bye.
Class, before we proceed to our next activity, I will show you our objective first. Please read our objective.
At the end of the lesson, the students are expected to describe the different type of energy, light, heat, and sound. Demonstrate on how light, heat, and sound energy can cause changes through simple experimentation. Recognize the importance of energy, matter, sound, and heat in daily life based on the cost of changes.
Thank you, class. And class, I'm here a scenario of Mr. Bean. Mr. Bean need to wake up early, and he needs something peculiar to wake up Mr. Ben early. He needed a reliable method to help him wake up. What he needs Mr. Ben earlier wake up. And Mr. Ben need to sit inside of his room. And he did not know anything helped them to see. And Mr. Ben, what did he need to see in his room? And Mr. Ben go to the market and buy ingredients of his milk. Then he go and went to the kitchen to prepare a breakfast. What does need of Mr. Ben to cook his breakfast? So class, to answer the problem of Mr. Ben, I called you Teacher Jello to answer the problem.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Once again, I am Teacher Jello, and we're going to answer the question of Mr. Bean case. We're having an activity. Are you excited?
Yes, teacher.
Our activity for today is lighting task, sound task, and heat task. This activity is called Exploring Light, Sound, and Heat. Procedure. You will be divided into 3 groups. The group of Team Wicked, Team Scrapper, and Team CD. Each group will go to one of the 3 stations. Look at the 3 stations around the classroom. The Station 1, Station 2, and Station 3. Group of Wicked will go to Station 1, the light station. The group of Team Scrapper will go to Station 2, the sound station. And Team Teddy will go to Station 3, the heat station here. By conducting this activity, don't forget to train formation. Do you know what is train formation? Just like this.
Yes, teacher.
If you broke the chain, it means you not participate in the activity, and you will receive a unreplaced of Miss Yes. Do you understand?
Yes, teacher.
After finishing one station, move to the next station when I told. So if you finish in one station, you will move to the next station and wait when I say move. After climb station, return all seats to your seats 5. Okay, so after you finish all the stations, you will return to your seats 5. Each group will choose 2 members to share what they learned in the class. So understand, class?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. So this is the instruction for every station. For the station 1, Teacher Tanyo will guide you there. Turn on the flashlight, face different things in front of the light and look at the shadow. And station 2, Miss Teacher Lorraine will guide you. Using the drum application, connect the phone to the speaker with a floor on top, play drum sounds and observe what happens to the floor. And station 3, Give Task. Rumel and Field Station, Field application, fill the gift pan with kernels and observe what happened to the kernels after filled in the giving pan. So, I have here a guide question each day. Okay, okay, do the form of train formation.
Here we want
The time.
Wait. For a train formation and each station you have 3 minutes to finish your observation.
Wait. Teacher, what's wrong here? Jojo! Time starts now.
Isa pa yung gusto mo try?
Long class.
Because the beginning, saan? Yeah, it is because the
Dako na kayo. Taas kayo.
The louder the sound, the stronger the vibration.
Ano ka na?
The louder the sound, the louder the sound. Istoy tate. The louder the sound.
Louder, dili louder.
The louder the vibration.
Yung tama na.
What does sound?
When the sound is,
The sound creates vibration. Oh.
the sound creates vibration. ang si Mr. Ben kay muda ko yung shadow.
Teacher, the shadow is missing when I pull it closer to me. Why it is teacher?
Because it's hiding.
How can you say so?
Naya po?
Because of the vibration. And the winner is...
Balik ko ang balik.
observation for the station 1. Station 1 only.
So in the theme wicket, we observe in station 1, and then number 1 is which objects make a shadow. So our answer is car and Mr. Ben. And then number 2, what happens to the shadow if you move the object closer to the flashlight? So our answer is the shadows of the objects will be bigger and clearer. And then number 3 is why do some things make shadows and others don't? So our answer is because there is also transparent objects that don't make shadow because light passes through them. So that's horrible.
Thank you, group of I think very good. And because I see that you all cooperate to your team, you will receive a happy face of Mr. For next is team scraper. Who want to share your ideas or observation? For station 1 only.
Station 1?
Station
2, Station 2, Station 2, Station 1.
Ah. Oh, yeah.
Here's an answer.
It's an answer.
So, number 1, Mr. Bean and his car. Number 2, the shadow starts getting bigger. Number 3, because of light.
Okay, very good. And also, I see that Team Scraper will cooperate to their team. They will receive a Mr. Bean happy face. And next is the team of Team Teddy. Who want to share their observation?
Okay. Good morning, class. Good morning. Good morning, classmates. Good morning, classmates. So, in the station 3, we make some popcorn. So, in our observation, station 1, station 3,
Station 1 only. And read the answer only.
okay, which object made a shadow?
Answer only.
Mr. Bean and the toy car made shadows because they block the light from the flashlight. Number 2, it becomes bigger and clearer. Number 3, because there is also transparent object like clear plastic don't make shadows because light passes through them.
Very good. Their answer is correct.
Yes.
And because si Robert, I see that earlier of the activity is not participate in the activity, I will give him a this is wicked that I agree with. Okay, to answer the Mr. Bean scenario, and Mr. Bean scenario is he used a flashlight to see an object in his dark room, just like what we did in our activity. We use the flashlight to see how big or how wider the shadow of an object. Understand? Okay, next is for the Team Wicked Station 2. Who want to share their observation in Station 2? Team Wicked. Answer.
The thing we can answer is so the flag on the speaker jump in the speaker played. Then the second one, when the sound is louder, so the cloud jumps higher. Then the third is the sound with vibration will move things.
Wow, their answer is correct. And next is Team Scraper. Who want to share their observation? Direct answer.
Okay, number 1, it started to pop. Number 2, because of the heat. And number 3,
Their answer is correct, class. And next is for the Team Teddy. Answer only.
I saw our answer in station 1 and station 2 is I saw the floor on the tip of the speaker. The speaker jumps and move when the drum sound When the sound is louder, the floor moves and jump higher. So in number 3 is the sound shadow is made can move things even if we can. So the vibration.
Okay, very good. And all teams got the correct answer. And I put this as right. Next is for the Wicked Station 3. Who wants to share their observation? Wicked to the left.
So our answer is number 1. The turtles get hot and cook a can of fluffy popcorn. And the oak turns into stream and the pressure make the kernel explode into popcorn. And number 3 is
And next is Team Scraper.
In stage 3, we answered number 1 started to pop, number 2 because of the heat, and number 3 is no.
Yes, their answer is correct. And the last team, the Team PD.
Good thing.
Who wants to share their observation?
for the station 3. The first answer to the first question is the kernels got hot and it turned into a fluffy popcorn.
Yes.
Then the second question, our observation is that because of the heat and oil, when heated, the oil turns into steam and the pressure makes the kernel explode or change iyang appearance. And then sa ikatlo is, no, it cannot go back to the way it was.
Yes, their answer is correct.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, we receive a right. To understand in Mr. Vin's scenario, Mr. Vin will want to cook something and he needs his heat. Just like in our activity in Station 3, we need a heat to cook the kernels into popcorn. In the conducting of our activity, what objectives that we achieve? In these 3 objectives, what objective that we achieve?
Describe sound energy can cause changes through simple experimentation.
Did we achieve this?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, let's go check here. To deeper understanding, let's welcome Teacher Angela for the discussion.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, teacher.
Is everyone ready to listen to our new lesson?
Yes, teacher.
Great, that's good to hear. Today, we will learn about different forms of energy. Those energy are heat, light,
And sound.
And also, we will learn how they causes change to objects. Energy is everywhere. It is invincible. But how can we tell when there is energy? If you see children running on the street with a lampshade, or hear a sound from the radio, or feel the heat under the sun, we can surely tell that energy is in action. So, the different forms of energy again is light,
Sound, and heat.
Now let us discuss first what is light. Okay, light energy is a form of electromagnetic radiation visible to the human eye. It travels in waves and produces sources, like the sun, the light, and the lasers. Now, in your activity, who can tell me George. And now,
Light is important to us because we cannot see if there is no light picture.
yes, because the light allows us to see objects, colors, and shapes. In our also lighting activity, what have you observed when we move objects closer to the flashlight? Cherries, we stand up, objects to the rose of the Yes, very good. Also, light causes change. And being absorbed, reflected, or transmitted, leading to effects such as color, perception, photosynthesis, and shadow formation. Just like what we have done in our activity, you have formed a shadow of the object by using the flashlight. Now let us move to the sun. The sun is the main form of sound. The sound is the main form of communication for human, but also animals can use it for communication. Who have heard a dog bark? Barking. Have you ever heard a dog bark?
Yes.
That's the picture. What about a bird singing?
Yes.
Yes. Those are examples of how sound is used for communication. Also, sound energy causes change in objects by making them vibrate, and which leads to movement or production of sound. In your sound activity, what have you observed? In your sound activity or sound task, what have you observed? Mayola? Sound vibrate up. Yes, because of the sound coming from the phone, it makes a vibration, and that vibration causes the flower to fall off. And because you have answered, I will give you a chip. Now let's move on to heat. Heat energy is the transfer of energy from a warmer object to a cooler one due to temperature difference. This energy transfers occurs through mechanisms like conduction, connection, or radiation. Now I have a question. In our heat activity, what have you observed? Hoover.
Heat, no?
Yes.
So, from the heat activity, the corn turned into popcorn since the heat produce energy.
Very good. Because you have answered, I will give you a chip. So heat causes change on objects
observe what is the materials, how the materials react to the energy. And each group has a different task. So you need to listen carefully and follow your individual's instructions. Am I clear, class?
Yes, teacher.
So, in individual group, this will be your direction. In the group of Miss Wicket, your direction is fill in the missing parts by identifying the type of change caused by the heat, light, or sound energy, and providing a real-life example for each. And to the team of scripper, your direction is below is the picture of the different object. Sort them into the correct energy category, such as light, heat, or sound. By writing them in the correct column, they choose one subject from each column and explain how it causes a change in your daily life. And the team of TD, your instruction is as a group, brainstorm and less apparatus, gadgets, or machines that use light, sound, or heat. Then, write an explanation how the chosen objects acquire the three different forms of energy. So the direction is clear, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now I will distribute these answer sheets for you to answer later. So that will be the team wicket, for the team scraper, and this will be the team athlete. So, your direction is kindly read lang for you to answer. And you have 5 minutes left to answer the task. So this class, can I get your attention, please? This will be our criteria for the task. So you must need to follow this one, no? Okay, you have 5 minutes to do the task.
Technical error.
You have 4 minutes left, class. Hair dryer, calendar, flashlight, radio, alarm.
Faster class.
AI.
Are you done, class? So you have 30 seconds left.
Split by.
Now that you're done, quickly back to your individual set. Okay, go back to your seats. Okay, now I want you to choose your group, two representatives to present your answers. So let's start with the team wicket. Who is your presenter? Okay? Juban and Angel. Come here in front.
Not feeling well. Now is Wednesday.
So here's our photo classmates. So energy type is the light, and the object or material is glass. So the type of change is the plants help to grow. And also the real world application is plants grow faster when warm or there is sunlight. Am I right, guys?
Next is the energy type is heat and the object or material is ice, and the types of change, ice melts and becomes water. And the real world application of heat is ice melts in drinks on a hot day.
Okay, the next one is sound.
Next.
Sound is the object or material is alarm clock, and the type of change means allow sound to wake up the people. So the real world application is wakes you up in the morning. So the alarm clock wakes up in the morning. Thank you.
So, your answer is for you, class?
Yes, teacher.
Is the light helps the plants grow?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so correct. How about the real world application? The answer is plants grow faster with warm on sunlight.
Yes,
Is that correct?
teacher. Yes, teacher.
Okay. How about the heat? And the heat, well, their object is ice. What will happen if the ice melts?
It melts,
Okay,
teacher.
correct. Their answer is also correct. And in real world application, their answer is ice melts in drinks on a hot day. Is that correct?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Correct.
How about the sound and alarm clock? Their answer is alarm clock makes a loud sound to wake up people.
Yes,
Correct?
teacher.
Yes.
Correct.
How about the real world application? Is the alarm clock wakes you up in the morning?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Now let's proceed to the answer of Ames paper.
Okay, this is our answer. This is the object of heat. This is the microwave. The light is the flashlight. The sound is the alarm clock. Radio. The heat test is blower, hair dryer. And if you're wondering why we put a candle, both heat and light, because candle is also a heat and also a heat. It creates a light. So that's why we put candle of both heat and light. So the how it causes change. So the microwave, it heats food quickly so I can eat warm meals. And the flashlight naman is it helps me see it helps us see in the dark when there's no electricity. And the alarm clock or the sound, it makes us wake up on time so I don't miss school. That's all. teacher.
Thank you, Liana. So now let's check if their answer is correct. Is the microwave produced a heat?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, correct. How about the hair dryer?
Yes, teacher.
How about the candle?
Yes.
Okay, correct. The flashlight?
Yes, teacher.
In sound, the alarm clock produce sound?
Yes, teacher.
How about the radio?
Yes.
Okay, correct. And their process, how it changed now? No? The answer is microwave. It heats food quickly, so I can eat warm meals. Is it correct?
Yes.
Okay, very good. And the next is the flashlight. The answer that flashlight helps me to see in the dark when there's no electricity. Is that correct?
Yes, teacher.
How about the alarm clock? It produces now a sound. So it wakes me up to on time so I don't miss a school. Is that correct?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Now, let's see the answer of tempad.
So, the title theme today is tools, gadgets, and machines, and what are the uses of this object. So first is cell phone. So
Cell phone, our experience is cell phone uses light so we can see messages, no? And then it uses sound for kind of music or calls, and can heat when we use it or when it is overused. It can move in and out of cell phone.
next object is refrigerator. So
Refrigerator, it uses or it produces light when we open the refrigerator. But when we close it, the light also disappears. And for sometimes or some refrigerator is, when it is on, it can humming or beeping when it is not closed. And sadly, it is in exchange, it uses heat to exchange itong mga susunod yan to produce bugnaw dito sa sulod.
next is motorcycle.
In a motorcycle, it uses light for headlight or kanang suga sa motor, and sound for horns or beep beep, and then light heat when it is running. That's all.
Okay, thank you. Is there all answers correct, class? Yes. Okay, all their answers are correct. So now, because I see that all of you is participating and helping each other, I will give happy Mr. Bean in all groups. And now, class, criteria, your scores is in the team of Wicked, your score is 50 over 50. Meanwhile, the team of Straightforward, your answer is also 50 over 50. And also the team of PD, your scores are also 50 over 50. Now, class, I have a question. Did we achieve our objectives?
Yes, teacher!
What objectives did we achieve?
Importance of energy, light, sound, and heat in daily life based on the cause of changeless.
Okay, correct. How about the objective A? Did we achieve that?
Yes, teacher!
Okay. So we achieved all the objectives. So now, for the evaluation, I will call teacher Florin to give you a task. Quiz, rather.
Okay, thank you, Teacher Tanyo. And now, to test that you learned from what you learned earlier, I have here a paper and pencil.
Hmm. Ano sa bado? Sa bado lang. Sa bado.
Sabi na tanong, unahon ba ito na may pili ba na pinakauna na po ang papasita ang sa ano apa na
Okay, question number 1. Please, question number 1. Why does a dark color object get warmer in sunlight than a light colored object? We got a picture.
Please choose the color.
Are you done?
Not yet, teacher.
Why does a dark color object get a warmer
Are you
sunlight
done?
than a light color object?
Yeah! Which of the following is a form of energy?
Which of the following form hit? Hit. Hit.
Okay, are you done?
Yes, teacher.
Let's see if your answer is correct.
Yes.
Next is, why do we feel warmer when we are near a fire?
We cannot see the arrow.
Please show your answer.
Orange. Hands up. Orange. How about you?
Orange.
Orange. Let's see if your answer is correct.
Yes.
Orange. Correct. Next, which of the following is the most efficient way to heat a small room quickly? Which of the is the most efficient way to heat a small room?
Answer, please.
Okay, are you done?
Yes.
Okay, let's check if your answer is correct. Can I see? Blue and
Yes.
the answer is blue.
Pink.
Energy to moving object when it stops.
Disappear. Letter B.
Okay, are we done?
Ay, letter C.
What color do you?
Yellow.
How about
There's
pink
the
copper?
other part.
Orange. And how about team wicket? With green. So let's check if your answer is
Yellow.
yes.
Perfect! Ang ganda! Perfect ka no?
How does energy caused by a
The student demonstrate how sun energy can
will be the most effective?
facing well vacuum, heating water on stove, so observing plant growing, watching a speaker vibrate music. Letter D!